Solomon Islands is one of the more unfamiliar gems in Oceania, consisting of nearly 1,000 tropical islands scattered across the southwestern Pacific. It offers some of the world's best natural sceneries and traveling experiences. Today, we have arrived at Honiara, the capital of the Solomon Islands, to explore the beauty and distinct culture of this unique country.
The Solomon Islands, with a population of about 700,000, boasts a rich variety of fauna and flora. Its remote location has helped preserve its pristine beauty, making it a sanctuary for nature enthusiasts and adventure seekers. History has left its mark on the Solomon Islands. The country is no stranger to the wreckage of ships or planes, most of which were destroyed warships or fighter jets during World War II. At the bustling Honiara Central Market, the warm hospitality of the locals is on full display. Visitors are greeted with friendly smiles and a vibrant atmosphere that showcases the country's vibrant culture.
Hello, China.
Hello, China.
Hello, China.
Hello, China.
Solomon Islands is experiencing rapid urbanization as it thrives to lift its population out of poverty and improve locals' livelihoods. The country has received assistance from various nations, including China. One notable project constructed with Chinese aid is a stadium that will serve as the main venue for the upcoming 2023 Pacific Games.
It is something that we Solomon Islanders will appreciate and are grateful for. In the past, we don't have any facility of this magnitude. The design aesthetically is impressive. This project itself has a big contribution to the local community and population.
This is the Solomon Islands, a beautiful country striving for a better future.